Tá mommy, daddy, Oisín, Sean, agus Siofra sa siopa Breagán. They're in the toy shop. Agus tá lán Breagán sna siopa Breagán. There's a huge amount of toys in the toy shop. Cad tá ann. Tá lorry, a lorry, teddy, etalon, a plane, drummy, drums, babóg, a dolly, agus tá mommy ag tuairt airgid the Farran siopa. Mommy is giving money to Farran siopa, to the shopkeeper. Agus seo roint rudí eile atá sa siopa Breagán. Tá racéad, a racket, shelf, a shelf, car, a car. Cumán is a hurling, the mnemoniacs for hurling. Líródaí, gachsáis líród lejóige. Tennis balls, líród pella, footballs, líród kisfella, basketballs. Tá scooter agus rotharan freisin, chlár scatála, agus trampoline. Fear no breagach is true or false. Current to tick an leis na cín fear, you put a tick near the true ones and an X near the false ones. Bhí Oisín sásta leis an scooter. Bhí Oisín sásta leis an scooter. Sásta is satisfied or happy. So, féach Oisín, I will come a sásta Got my scale sauced up here. I will come a sásta Does he look happy? Tá come a sásta So, bhí Oisín sásta leis an scooter. Fear, curtican leis. An céad ceann eile. Bhí Sean sásta leis na drumí. Will come a sásta Does he have a happy face? Níl. So, will an ceann seo fear no breagach. Breagach. Mí ceart. Bhí Siofra mí hásta leis an guitar. Siofra was unhappy with the guitar. Féachar, she doesn't look too unhappy. Tá sé sin breagach. Agus an céad ceann eile. Bhí daddy mí hásta leis an urador. Daddy was unhappy or disappointed with the watch. Yeah, bhí sé mí hásta. He was quite disappointed. Sure tick. Okay. Scríb an abert mar is ceart. This part down here is unscramble it. Scríb an abert mar is ceart. Lorry, féach, on. Well, on céad rud the first thing to do is find the capital letter. So, tosnín sé le F, féach. F-E, féach, on, lorry. Féach on lorry. Look at the lorry. Céad ceann eile. Good jazz on teddy tá. Find the capital first. Tá. On teddy. Go jazz. The teddy is nice. Lum Mochiatar is bra. Is bra. Is bra. Lum. Mo. Mo. Guitar. I love my guitar. Is bra me. Agus an counter an scooter, cévéad atá tá sé sin Jacker galore. Cévéad is how much? Cévéad atá on scooter. Scooter. No. Agus question mark an sin. Cévéad atá an scooter. Tá D-jacker galore. D is a little bit tricky. Ach ná backlash, just give it a little try. Is féidir iad a scríban isteach if we're go plór. You can write them into your copies.